What's up, guys? Welcome to RQA Academy Design Challenge. This is day 1. Let's get started. Click on F to go to frames, choose the phone preset, and pick anyone that fits your phone. I'm choosing iPhone 16 Plus. Double click to rename the frame to splash screen. Run your Iconify plugin and search for Netflix logo. Drag and drop, then rename it to Netflix. Make it a component and add it as a variant. Duplicate it 7 times. Double-click the first variant and highlight everything except the letter N. Press delete and do the same for the rest. Align everything to the center and start prototyping. Set the trigger to after delay and timing to 200 milliseconds. Replicate that for the rest. Duplicate the first page. Go to Figma community and search for animated loader design. Find a nice loader animation and make sure you copy the main component. Copy the main instance and press Ctrl-Shift-R to replace the Netflix logo with the loading spinner. You can increase the size a little bit. Go to prototype and connect the first screen to the second. Set the trigger to after delay and the time to 1450 milliseconds. This is important or else the Netflix page won't load completely. Duplicate the second screen once more and remove the loader. Press the shortcut T for the text tool and write "Who is watching." Increase the font size to 24 and set the font weight to semi-bold. Align to the center and adjust it properly. Layout grid. Set the count to 4, margins to 24. Press Alt and drag to duplicate the text. Change it to edit and reduce the size. Press R on your keyboard for rectangle and draw a simple shape. Set the width to 130 and height to 150. Round the corners and fill it with an image. I got these images from Pinterest, by the way. Crop and adjust the images until it fits nicely. Hold Alt and drag the edit text. Change it to Naruto. Press Ctrl-Alt-P to run your last plugin. Search for lock icon and import it. Change the color to white and align it with the text. Add auto layout by pressing Shift A and set the space between to 8. Add another auto layout with the image and duplicate it. Replicate 4 more of this and make sure everything is aligned properly using auto layout and the space between all of them is 24. Edit all the names. And change the images accordingly. Crop and fit them properly. Press Shift E to go to prototype mode. Connect the second page to the last and set the trigger to after delay and time to 500 milliseconds. Play it out and see the results. This looks good to me. You can also view it in full mode as well. Add a flow to keep things nice and organized. Rename it to something meaningful like Day 1 Netflix Splash Screen. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.